What's up, everyone? I want to do this new series where I share some things I do outside of trading to help my trading. So one of the most important things one can possibly do, I think, in support of their trading career is meditation. Meditation and breathing exercises. Let me explain to you why before you think I'm some kind of old dude, hokey pokey type of nonsense. No, I'm from Wall Street. I'm from New York, so I would say that I would have healthy skepticism towards all this stuff myself. However, I think that was one of the most important game changers for my trading. I shit you not. It's not the new tools or new ways of looking in the markets, etc. It's literally meditation and breathing exercises. Now, the reason for your trading improving when you meditate and when you do breathing exercises is very quite simple. So when we process thoughts and when we work, depending on our state, emotional state, different parts of our brain will be responsible for decision making. So when you are in a more emotional state, whether you're too excited or too fearful or too depressed or too this or too that, you're the part of the brain which will be responsible, specifically in trading, when it's fear and greed, it's your amygdala, your lizard brain, basically giving orders. Now, when you meditate, you actually switch from amygdala to prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for your logical thinking. I'll give you a simple example. Have you ever done something at a spur of the moment? For example, called somebody something nasty, your boyfriend, girlfriend, your parents, your friend. You said something really nasty, and then 5 minutes later, you're like, oh fuck, I didn't mean it. Sorry, that was right. Or have you done something silly or stupid, and then an hour later you regretted it? How could I have been doing this? So. But with a friend or whatever action you took, you probably don't have too serious of a consequence. Now, when you trade, though, same part of the brain that allowed you to do that just took a shitty trade. It took a loser. You don't know that it's a loser yet when you're taking it, but it most likely will turn to be a loser because you're the part of the brain that is responsible for your cool and collected and logical thinking, which allows you to enter the trades, is simply not there. So what meditation does, it allows you to be more balanced. It allows you to be more zen, at peace, whatever. Yes, which is absolutely crucial when you trade. So what can you do? How do I use it, for example? So for breathing exercises, there's obviously Wim Hof. You can YouTube all of his breathing techniques, etc. I usually do the short ones. The reason why I like breathing and meditation, you see results immediately. You don't need to wait 6 months to get a six-pack type of deal. You actually know after 5 minutes that, oh, holy fuck, I'm actually feeling completely different. And when you do feel the difference immediately, you kind of want to do it more and more because you see immediate results and feedback. And when you approach trades, you will be listening to your inner voice better, your intuition. It will be operating from a more cooler head, so to speak, and it will allow you to look at the market rationally, not respond emotionally, like FOMOing it in or cutting a winner too soon. Or, oh my God, the world is falling apart. Let me close everything down before it turns around. All of these mistakes are made when you are under emotional stress. So to get rid of the emotional stress and to be even, you have to do these things like meditation and breathing exercises. Working out obviously goes without saying as well. But so, for example, you don't need to trade 18 hours a day. You can break up into sessions. There's a London session, New York session, and there are breaks in between. Then New York session gets cut in half into two pieces, right? So you have the morning from 7 a.m. to 11 New York time, and then from 1 to 4, and more likely from all of the afternoon action is from 3 to 4. So what I usually do after 11, I go for a walk. You go for a walk, you listen to some audiobooks, you get your mind off the market, and you do a quick 5-10 minute session breathing exercise. It allows you to come back to the office, to your home, wherever you trade, and it completely resets your point of view. So now you're looking at the market literally with fresh eyes, and you can spot things that you haven't spotted before, and you're not going to be making errors due to due to being in a wrong emotional state, basically. Now, meditation also works. You can use Transcendental meditation. And do you want to know who actually one of the biggest proponents of Transcendental meditation? It's Ray Dalio. Ray Dalio of Bridgewater, which is one of the largest hedge funds in the world. He swears by it, and he says without it he wouldn't be successful. Other celebrities like Jerry Seinfeld, Jerry Springer, Jesus. Jerry Seinfeld, Oprah, I think Tony Robbins, there's a whole list of these celebrities that actually, not just celebrities, that's a bad way of categorizing somebody. Very powerful people who achieved a lot in their lifetime. Those people are saying, this is what we do to prime ourselves to feel our best. When you feel your best, you can deliver your best work. When you just had a fight with your significant other and life is doomy and gloomy and some bad shit is happening in your life, you're not in a good emotional state and your decision making is not going to be as good. So meditation allows you to, even during those difficult, trying times, to let it go and to be able to focus clearly. You have clarity, and clarity in trading is paramount. So to achieve that clarity, two things: meditation, breathing exercises. Doesn't have to be too long, 5 minutes, plenty. Do 5 minutes of meditation in the morning before you turn on your monitors. 5 minutes, go learn Transcendental meditation like Ray Dalio. And go on YouTube, learn Wim Hof breathing full sequence. And they have 5-10 minute ones that you can do easily, really quick. You will feel amazing, you will think amazing, you will have clarity. Hope this little tidbit helps, and I'll try produce more of these things that help me in my trading life. And for those who don't know me, my name is Stan, and I am a portfolio manager at a Swiss-based hedge fund, and I run a nonprofit called ApexBull.com, which teaches retail and professional traders how to be more successful.